These are rare photographs from history, presented with context and accuracy. To see more historical photos, you can subscribe to our channel. A group of kids had arranged to care and feed the dog after the owner had died. England, 1936. American pilots and a P-40 Warhawk of the Flying Tigers in Burma, 1941. Aurora Police Chief Spencer Garrett lights a cigarette for spree killers George York and James Latham before their extradition to Kansas, Colorado, 1961. Blind French soldier Jean-Julien Lemordon displaying his medals in 1917. Boys taking short farm courses eating at the school cafeteria in the University of Wisconsin, 1943. British soldier lights a cigarette for an Eben tracker, Sarawak, Borneo, 1950. Captain Raphael Semmes, commanding officer of the CSS Alabama, aboard the ship in Cape Town, August 1863. Captured German officers after their defeat at the Battle of Stalingrad, February 1943. Czech stewardess for Pan American World Airways, Sally Lepper instructs her students in walking with poise, 1954. Children inspect Panzer III tank in Freiburg, Germany, 1939. Eartha Kitt waiting for her luggage at Schiphol Airport in Amsterdam, 1962. Ethiopia's National Public Library Reading Room. Students study beneath a massive mural featuring Emperor Haile Selassie in the traditional religious Ethiopian art style, 1955. Four Korean comfort women after they were liberated by US-China Allied forces outside Songshan, Yunnan Province, China, September 1944. Frederick Douglass with his grandson Joseph, 1895. German zoologists John Hagenbeck and Ludwig Heck with Asian woman in Children of the Human Zoo of Colombo, Sri Lanka, 1931. Gettysburg Reunion in 1913. Civil War veterans from both sides shaking hands. In 1966, Brenda Sherratt celebrated her 18th birthday by swimming the 22.5-mile length of Loch Ness. Installation of the speaker for Operation Wandering Soul during the Vietnam War. Irish woman mocks British soldier for being short, Derry, 1972. Italian woman carrying box of dry goods in New York, February 1912. Italian-American children warming their hands, New York, 1943. Jean Manford marches with her gay son during a pride parade, 1972. Leon Trotsky in Moscow during the Russian Revolution in 1919. Liberated Odessans remove Romanian Adolf Hitler street sign, April 1944. Margaret Trudeau, estranged wife of Canadian Prime Minister Pierre Trudeau dances at New York's Studio 54. Mountain troops in the Caucasus, September 1942. Mr. Rogers advocating for the importance of non-commercial media in child development before the U.S. Senate, Washington, D.C., May 1969. Napoleon Bonaparte's post-mortem mask taken shortly after his death in 1821. Ottoman soldiers standing outside of Kubat as Sakra within the Al-Aqsa compound, 1889. People lining up at a box office at a movie theater in Southside Chicago, Illinois, 1941. Picture of a younger Mao Zedong in 1913. Polish prisoners of war just returned from the Soviet camp, 1941. President Dwight Eisenhower attacks a hot dog, and Vice President Nixon enjoys a cigarette while watching a baseball game together, 1960. President Ho Chi Minh and chairman of the Presidium of the Supreme Soviet Kliment Voroshilov, Vietnam, 1957. President Lyndon Johnson signing the Public Broadcasting Act, November 1967. Qing New Army Troops, China, 1911. Queen Elizabeth on its maiden voyage in New York Harbor, 1940s. Roosevelt's appeal for a strong federal role in boosting industry and the public welfare led to his election as the 32nd President of the United States in 1933. Six-year-old Teddy Roosevelt watching Lincoln's funeral procession going through Union Square, New York City, April 1865. Soldiers wait for the signal to move up near Aachen, Germany, November 1944. Soviet mounted troops look on at a column of destroyed German vehicles during the Battle of Korsun-Cherkasy, February 1944. Stanley Kubrick with Shelley Duvall and the ghostly twins during a break in filming The Shining, 1980. The destruction of St. Simonov Monastery, Moscow, 1927. The gentleman chimpanzee steps out of a taxi to visit sick kids at a hospital, 1925. The human telephone operators, 1920s. The late great Rasputin with his wife in 1914. The Ohio State University Marching Band welcomes the Miss Wheelchair America pageant, 1975. The severed head of a statue of Joseph Stalin during the Hungarian Revolution, 1956. The temporary replacement of Beatles drummer Jimmy Nicole, June 1964. This is the Palazzo Braschi, which served as the political headquarters of fascist Italian leader Benito Mussolini during the 1930s. Three mendicant monks playing shakuhachis, Japan, 1935. Two golfers use a golf robot trainer to help with their golf swing, 1925. Ukrainian auxiliary police standing on guard at a location in Nazi-occupied zone, June 1943. Vietnam resistance fighter wearing mask to hide their identity in a private meeting of the Viet Cong, 1972. Woman holds a sign that reads, "Our boss owns 77 houses, we can't pay rent.